So, belated Merry Christmas. We are joining the flock for breakfast. Dio, you also need to go join the rest of the flock for breakfast. I don't have food for you right now, but your dad's over there. Oh, Peep. I know. I don't have food for you right now. I don't have food for you right now. You need to go over there with those birds. You are big and old enough to figure out how to eat food. What's up with your dad? Hi, Elliot. Hi, Leonard. Hi, Jojo. Jojo doesn't have food for you. Jojo doesn't have food for you. When we're done filming, if you still haven't eaten, I'll bring you in and feed you. Hello. Hello. Why, hello, Chiffon. That's her spot. She lives on the knee. Buddy, she's got a peep. Good luck with that. Indica and Pookie are both cocks. Hi, Tandy. Well, there's Wukong courting his Suki wife, who we are expecting eggs out of any day now, starting tomorrow. He has tread her every day since Sunday. Oh, are you being sweet to me today? There are so many birds on me. So many birds. No. No. You are not the best of camera pigeons. I know. I know. I love that Suki. And I love this girl. Don't be a bud, Elliot. I'm sorry, Woo. I know, clearing my throat was a scary noise. Oh, his Suki wife wants to be in my lap for like half a second. Then I moved too close and startled her. Quit playing with the off button. This is my camera hand. And apparently my camera peep. Pookie, for God's sake, you're pointy. Ow! Indica! You're both pointy. My face is not a place to land. Hi, Pookie. Pookie, Cherub, and Farthing all like to be on my head. And they fight pretty hard over who gets to stay there. But I don't think she's interested. Hi, MJ. Hi, Thistle. Hi, Thistle. You here to court your MJ wife? Thank you, Puddin', for not landing on my face. We've gotten to where I perpetually have a parade of 5 to 7 birds on me. I think I may need to clean the lens. Hang on. Oh, look at that Pookie. Dio, out in the loft, I don't feed you, buddy. You need to feed you. Hi, Chiffon. Welcome back. I love you. Hi, Clover. Did you come to join the Peep Parade in my lap? Maybe. Maybe. Chiffon, please stop that. Hi, Cloud. Bye, Cloud.